everyone, this is Amanda Wray coming to you with a quick video. And what I want to do is take this time to answer the number one question, which is, what is passive profits? I keep hearing so many people say, I got a postcard in the mail, or I got an opportunity online, or someone sent me their phone number, someone sent me their website. What is this all about? How does this work? How can I benefit from this opportunity? First, I want to say my name is Amanda Wray, and I am a person that participates with Passive Profits. I am a member of Passive Profits, and I've been doing direct mail since 2016, okay? Direct mail has allowed me to earn a full-time income from home. It has also allowed me to help other people earn a full-time income from home. There's a ton of people out there that are looking to replace their full-time job. They're looking to generate a full-time income from home. And this is an opportunity that's going to allow you to do that. So what is Passive Profits? It is a postcard program. It's a direct mail opportunity. And what happens is, by people entering into this program, it's going to allow them to earn consistently by putting a postcard in the mail. So what makes this so unique and different to other programs? With Passive Profits, you don't have to do any selling, any telling. You don't have to recruit friends and family. You don't have to try to convince people to join this opportunity. What's going to happen is when you send out your postcards, you're going to have everyone that receives your postcard, at least everyone, we're going to try to call into a 1-800 number. When you become a member of Passive Profits, you're going to have an ID number, okay? And when a person calls in, they're going to call in with your ID number. This is what the postcard looks like that they're going to receive in the mail. And it's basically telling them to call to get their bonus and get more information about the program, or to sign up. When they call with your ID number, you're going to get paid for every single person that joins with your ID number, okay? With Passive Profits, you receive a 50% payout for everyone that joins, and these payments are member to member. So you don't have to worry about the company touching your money. They can send you cash, cashier's check, money order by mail, or they can pay you electronically through a third-party vendor, okay? So all they're going to do is call the number. We're going to give them the information, and then we're going to get them signed up to receive their pill and stick labels, which is people who are looking for a home-based business opportunity. Those are the leads. They're going to also receive stamps depending on what level they came in at. Depends on how many stamps they receive. You're going to also get a gift card. And at the higher levels, you're going to get a vacation stay, and you're going to actually get another bonus, but you have to call into the 1-800 number to hear the bonuses at the higher level. So here's a website, and then what it does is basically gives information about the opportunity. You can watch this short video. You're going to get community of support, weekly prospect overviews, weekly member trainings, team resource website, done for you mailing option. If you want to outsource the entire project, you can do so. We close the sales for you. When the people call in, we get them started, you get paid, okay? And you're going to get a personal success coach to make sure that you're set up properly and you have all of the tools that you need in order to get started. There's no monthly fees. It's a one-time payment. And we have massive startup bonuses. Again, you have to call in if you're planning to come in at the $1,000 level or higher. You want to call in to get those bonuses, okay? So here, basically what you're going to do is choose the level that you want to come in at. You're going to get connected by speaking to one of the closers, one of the representatives that can help you. And what you're going to do is then mail out your postcards when you receive them. Okay, this is all a numbers game. The more you mail out, the more money you make. The more consistent you are with it, the more money you're going to make. This is not an overnight get rich quick opportunity. This is a real business. This is a real legitimate opportunity where you can make a ton of money if you follow the training and the steps that we provide for you. Once you get signed up, you're going to get your ID number. You're going to order your postcards. Once you order your postcards, you're going to wait for your package that's going to come from the company, and you're going to start sending out these postcards to the pill and stick labels that's given to you from the company. For the different levels that we have, okay, we have the $100 level, $300 level. Then we have a $500 level, a $1,000 level, $2,000 and $4,000. Whatever level you come in at with this opportunity, you're going to get paid 50% for every single person that joins you. So if you come in at the $1,000, you're going to get $500 for each person that comes in using your link. Not only that, if you were at the $1,000 level, you're going to get paid for anyone who comes in even at the lower levels. So that includes the $100, the $300, the $500, and the $1,000. So anyone that comes in at these levels, you're going to get paid for. Now, if a person decides to come in at a higher level, which is a $2,000 or $4,000, you're going to still get your $500 at this level. Everything else that's above that will go to your sponsor. So you're not going to miss out on any payments. You're just not going to receive the maximum because you are not at those levels. So here, when you go to the website, which will be in the description below, it's going to basically give you the information of what's included for each package. Again, the bonuses you can get by calling a 1-800 number. You leave a message with the ID number for the person that you want to join, and then someone is going to call you to get you set up, explain how it works, and help you to get started. You want to know what the ID number is, all you have to do is click on a button, and here is the ID number. I am 0001, okay? So that's basically in a nutshell. It's a home-based business opportunity. Direct mail has been around for years. I remember looking at a direct mail opportunity back in 2014, okay? So it's been around a long time, and the person that was actually promoting that is still to this day promoting direct mail opportunities. So that just goes to show you it works. There's a lot of people out here that are making a substantial amount of money doing direct mail. If you have the right program, right leads, a great network team, support team, closers, that's going to help you to just get to where you need to be faster, and you'll be able to start earning quicker, because that's what we want. That's why this program was created. So if you want more information, all you have to do is click on the description below and make the phone call, be available to receive the phone call that you're going to get, and get started. So I hope that this has helped a lot of people understand what passive profit is, how it works, and how to get started. Thanks so much for viewing this video, and I'll see you back another day. Have a great day, guys.